Hi, today I'm going to show you how to implement notification in Android using Kotlin. So let's start. Open your Android Studio. Now we create our project. Select empty activity. Click on next. Name of your project. Here we choose the language Kotlin and click on finish. First we work on design. So click on res layout activity main.xml. Here we use relative layout. Now we add one button. So when I click on button, it will display notifications. Now we create one activity. Select empty activity and click on finish. So when I tap on the notification, it will display this activity. Now click activity second.xml. Now click on main activity. First we declare some variables. Now we will get the reference of our button from XML file by using find BYID. Now we initialize our notification manager. Now we will create one intent, and this intent we will use in the pending intent. Now we will work on button listener. Here we create pending intent. And pending intent is an intent that we will use for the future use. That is, after clicking on notification, it will use our intent. Zero is a request code. Here we pass our intent. So after clicking on notification, it will move to the second activity. Here we use remote views, and this remote views are used to use the content of some different layout apart from the current activity layout. Here we pass our package name and our second activity layout. Now we will check condition for the API 26. If our Android version is greater than API 26, or you can say Oreo, now we will use notification builder. Now we will set the title. Then we set body text and a small icon. Here we create one vector for a small icon. Now here we pass our pending intent. Now here we use notify, provide some ID. Now run the project. Here you can see the output. When I click on button, send notification, it displays the notification. When I click on notification, we move to our second activity. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share your feedback in comment section. Thank you.